Okay, this is for Simeon School. You're about to watch a videotape of the startup training being provided by Thermal Systems on February 29th, 2024. The video is intended for the sole purpose of supporting the manufacturer's published procedures and is not intended to replace the manufacturer's institute's owner-operator training, equipment, startup procedures, service processes, etc. change over time. Thermal Systems does not warrant the timeliness of the information contained in this videotape, and Thermal Systems assumes no obligation to update the information presented in this training. In addition, the information presented at this training session is designed to provide only general startup information, and training is not intended to be all-inclusive with respect to the product, maintenance, or service issues. If you need advice about a particular maintenance process, product, or service issue, you should consult with a Thermal Systems professional. The applicable data sheets, product manuals, and instructions for the specific product being serviced or maintained should be consulted for information about that product, including, without limitation, information regarding safety, maintenance, operation, design, installation, care, warnings relating to, and proper uses of each product. In addition, training is typically better when it can be done in person. That gives the person being trained the opportunity to ask questions and seek clarification on any confusing issues. Thermal Systems specifically disclaims all liability for errors or omissions in or the misuse or misinterpretation of any information presented in this training. The video is intended for direct employees of the owner and may not be reproduced or shared with any third party without Thermal Systems' prior written consent. If you have any questions, please hold them until the end of the training session, and I will answer them after the videotaping has concluded. Yeah, okay, so here you have your control panel. This is your main controller here. The password to get in to the controller
let the engineer get in there and see what's going on.
is 6363, and then that takes you to all your menus. You can clear alarms from here. You can see what's going on with the unit from there. There's your controller. Here's all your electrical here. Then you come this way. You have your transformer. You have drives for your condenser fan motors. All your motor starters down there. Yeah, and then there's your power coming in over there. This is your heating section. Come through here. All right, there's both sets of burners, both your draft inducers, your gas valves. Here you have your fans, your heat exchanger, no belts on the fans. They're all ECM motors. Okay, here is your filter section. That's where you're going to pull the filters and change them when you need to change them. This is your energy recovery wheel, the same as like the air handler inside. Okay, there's your energy recovery wheel filters down there. These are your outside air filters up here. Down there you have your exhaust fan dampers. OA outdoor air screens here. And this is all the same, just on the other side. Those are the motor starters for your return fans down there. Control modules for the return fans. Exhaust fans, I'm sorry. And then here's the coil for your cooling. And your reheat coil for dehumidification. Here go all 4 compressors. That's about it. Any questions?